coffee on the windowsill. Winter's finally come, twisting tiny wishes into cotton clouds. Every little square knot softly saying proud. Macrame snowflakes falling from my hands, hanging in the daylight over countertops and cans. Macrame snowflakes drifting down in rows, stringing up the kitchen in a homemade kind of snow. Fraying ends like comets brushing on my knee, patterns blooming slowly where there used to be just string. Laughter in the tangles, knot by knotted line. Who knew simple circles could sparkle like this time? Macrame snowflakes falling from my hands, hanging in the daylight over countertops and cans. Macrame snowflakes drifting down in rows, stringing up the kitchen in a homemade kind of snow. No two the same, still they all belong. Little woven wonders humming in my palm. I pull and I loop till the whole room glows, turning quiet Tuesday into swirling gentle snow. Macrame snowflakes fall